Good morning, 7th standard. I welcome you all for this new session. So, in today's class, we are going to see a new topic, adjective. Yes. So far, what we have seen is lesson 3, that is translation and explanation. We have seen, and we have wrote online test on choose, true or false, and question answers based multiple choice questions. So, we are done with the first part. Now, we are going to enter into the second part, that is grammar. So, in this screening method, what I am going to do is I am going to explain you all the tabular column which is based on the rules. Rules of adjectives will be explained on the screening method. So, after the rules, we are going to see exercise number 3 and 4 for today. So, today's online test will be based on lesson 3, exercise number 3 and 4. Okay. So, as we see the rules, we would be able to solve the exercise. So, one or two examples alone I will explain you on the board. Okay, so let's see the rules. Okay, 7th standard, I welcome you back to the screening method. So, what I am going to do is, this is making an adjective feminine. So, this is regarding exercise number 3. So, now what I am going to do is, exercise number 3, I am going to discuss with you regarding the rules, and then we'll go to the exercise. Okay. Account this adjective, agreement of adjectives. What I'm going to do is I'm going to read once. It's a very simple one. So just 4 rules. You can make it fast. Okay. So there are many examples, but I will make it short. Just continue with me. Okay. Generally, an E is added to the masculine form in order to make an adjective feminine. So this is mostly you will do. So masculine singular, in case if you want to make it feminine, what we are going to do is, example grand, we are going to add a E to make it feminine, grand. The E is added as well as the pronunciation will change. Instead of here we will say grand, we will not pronounce the D, but here we will pronounce the D. That is the difference. This is grand and this is grand. O, hot. Kur, kut. So that is rule number 1. So rule number 1 is grand, o, kur, grand, ot, kut. So rule number 2. If the masculine form of the adjective ends with an E, it remains the same in the feminine form. So this is very simple form. In case if the word itself has a E, don't do any change in the feminine. That is rule number 2. Example, jeune, jeune. So no change in pronunciation or no change in spelling. Both remains the same. Rouge, rouge. Belge, belge. Facile, facile. Difficile, difficile. So rule number 1, add a E. Rule number 2, if the word itself had a E, don't add anything to it. So now rule number 3. The feminine of certain adjective is formed by doubling the final consonant and the masculine form and then adding E. So it's very simple here. What we have to do is we have to double the last letter with a E and then we have to add a E. For example, grow, grows. So what we are doing here is, already this word has a S. Now we are going to add one more S and one more E to make it feminine. So we have to double the letter. So and this is the result. So double S E, double S E, double N E, double N E, double N E, double L E. So that is the point number 3. Grow, grows. Bas, base. Bon, bonne. Ancien, ancienne. Indien, indienne. Gentil, gentille. So this is point number 3. So point number 1 is just add a E. Point number 2, don't do anything, just leave as it is. Point number 3 is add the last letter and also E. So point number 4 is exceptional. That is what we are going to see. Adjectives ending with E, A, U in the masculine form change to al to get their feminine form? Nothing. In case if the word is beau, that is the ending is eau, the feminine form should be al, elle. Take out the eau and add belle, nouveau, nouvelle. Adjectives like beau, nouveau, vieux can change to belle, nouvelle, vieille when used before a masculine singular noun beginning with a vowel or a silent H. So in case if these words are joined with a noun that has a vowel in the starting, so those words alone, it is exceptional that it has to be done like this. So we can memorize this, no worries. There are also few adjectives which is irregular feminine forms. Some are given on page 32. So no need to take this is not important. So we'll go with the rule. Okay, so according to this rule we will solve the exercise. Okay, so rule number 1 is add a e, rule number 2 is don't add anything, and rule number 3 is add the last letter and add another e. Rule number 4 is eau will be changed to elle. Now let's discuss exercise number 3 on board. Okay, so we will see this exercise on board. I'll give you 1 or 2 examples and then I'll explain these things in the screening method so that it will be clear for you. In case if there is any doubt, you will not get confused. Okay, so let's go to the board session. Hope you understood the rules. So now shall we see the exercise? Okay, so after the rules, what comes is exercise. So first part is 2 exercises, I said, right? First exercise number 3 is mete au féminin, and exercise number 4 is mete au pluriel. So exercise number 3 I am going to discuss here. Okay? Here. Mete les phrases au féminin. So the first thing is, they have given one example. Il est joli. Il est joli. The first thing what they ask us to do is mete au féminin. We have to change into feminine. So the example which is given as question is masculine. So il est joli. So this will be changed as add. The first thing what we have to do is we have to change this into add. So point number 1 is over, and now point number 2, il is changed into add. The second is the verb should not be changed because third person singular both are il or add, the verb will be the remaining the same. So no need to change any changes in the verb. Here comes the adjective. See, the first and foremost thing, the rule which I said in the screening method is, whenever there is an adjective, before the adjective, 99% it will be adverb. Okay? Why? Because only using to be verb we can conjugate the adjective. We can make a sentence using the adjective. So, il est joli. He is beautiful. And he is beautiful. So this is what it is. So elle est jolie. Now this jolie, as per rule number 1, we have to add e when it changes to feminine. So that is why we have added e. Hope you could see it's visible. So il est jolie will be changed as jolie. So this is rule number 1. And rule number 2, il est gentil. So this is the question. Il will be changed into add. Point number 1, there is no change in the verb. Verb should not be changed. Point number 2. Point number 3, whenever it is ending with a single L, we have to add LE. That is what we saw in the rules. Okay? So what I am going to do is adding double LE. So il est gentil, elle est gentille. Okay? Here you can say gentil. Okay? So this is example. So what we saw here was example from the book. This is one question which has been solved. Let's see another question with a different scenario. Okay. Le garçon canadien est souriant. Le garçon canadien est souriant. Now, totally, they have introduced the gender, that is the boy. Second thing, the nationality, and the third thing is one adjective. So gender should be also changed into feminine, nationality should be changed into feminine, and the adjective should be changed into feminine. So first we have to change the gender. Le garçon, when we change into feminine, la fille. Le garçon, la fille. First job is over. Second is Canadien. Canadien, the feminine form is Canadienne. Double N-E. We learned it in 6th grade. Yes? So that is the same thing what we have to do here. La fille. La fille Canadienne. Okay, let's continue. There is the garçon Canadien est souriant. That is the garçon be changed into la fille. Secondly, Canadien, that will be changed as Canadienne. Okay, so this is regarding the nationality, and verb is here. So this subject. So that is only just the subject. Okay, so subject might have only one word or two words. Here they are telling a Canadian boy, and the following answer a Canadian girl. So that is why la fille Canadienne. So verb, you are not going to change anything, just leave it as it is. Souriant. Souriant means smiling. That they have a smiling face. Okay. So that alone we are going to change according to the rule. That is rule is you have to add an e, right? So souriant. As per the rule, we have to add an e. So hope you understood this example. The remaining examples I will discuss on the screening method. And I will explain you the sentence, and I will show you these solutions in the book itself. So plural also, in case if there is time, I will try to explain you in the screening method itself, because it will be very easy, because it is to refer. We have to refer the page and we have to change. This one is we are just going to make it subject into feminine and object into feminine. Verb will be remaining this. So today's exercise, that is online test, will be based on exercise number 3 and exercise number 4. Okay. So what you do is please revise exercise number 3. In case if we are able to finish exercise number 4, I will include that in online test. If not, let's have exercise number 3 again. That I will tell you in the screening method as we continue. Okay. So thank you for today. Have a nice day, and please, before getting into online test, revise this. In case if you are doing the test without revising, any small mistake you will do and you will not be able to get a full mark. Okay. So thank you. Have a nice day.
Okay students, now let us see one by one. So the three things which we have discussed on board is here. Il est gentil. Elle est gentille. Le garçon canadien est souriant. La fille canadienne est souriante. L'homme danois est beau. La femme danoise est belle. So this is answer number 3. That is, l'homme will become la femme. Okay. Danois will become as danoise. Et beau will become as belle. Okay, so this is answer number 3. So answer number 4. Il est gros. So this is rule number 3 as we saw. So that will become, il will become elle est gros. So as per the rule, we have to double the s and we have to add e. So that is what we have done here. And rule number 1 is very simple, just adding an e. So il est grand. So we have to write elle est grande. Il est content. Elle est contente. Il est sympathique. Elle est sympathique. So this is the rule number 2. So since there is already a e, we should not add any e to the adjective. So that is rule number 2. Il est américain. Elle est américaine. just adding an E, rule number 1. Il est italien, elle est italienne. Rule number 2, double the N and add a E. Il est Swiss, elle est Swiss. This is rule number 2, just leave as it is. Since already there is a S, E, just leave as it is. So this is mété au féminin. So left hand side is your question and right hand side is your answer. So what you can do is you can just pause the video and you can copy the answers. Hope both the things are visible. I'll enlarge it a bit so that you will be able to see it. Okay, so I'll just read the answers alone. Elle est gentille. La fille canadienne est souriante. La femme danoise est belle. Elle est grosse. Elle est grande. Elle est contente. Elle est sympathique. Elle est américaine. Elle est italienne. Elle est suisse. So what you have to do now is just pause the video and you take down the answers. So left hand side is your question and right hand side is your answers. So kindly take it down and then we'll see mété au pluriel. Okay, so I'll continue with mété au pluriel now. You pause the video, take the answers and then continue the video. Okay, now let's continue with mété au pluriel. That is for exercise number 4 we are going to see now. This is nothing but singular to plural. So what we have to do, the same thing, wherever we added E, S, there are 3 or 4 rules as we saw for feminine. So the first rule is, in the most of the cases an adjective is made plural by adding S to its singular form. So just we have to add an S. As we did in rule number 1, in the previous page we added E, right? Here we have to add an S to make it plural. So just adding an S is the first rule. And the second rule is, if an adjective ends with S in its masculine form, there is no change as the plural form. This is very nice, or the same change. We left it here as it is, right? Ending in E, the same thing. If the word already has an S, no need to change anything. Just leave it as it is. And this one is EAU, we changed into ELLE in feminine. What we are going to do here is just add an X to make it plural. That's it. So BEAU, add an X, bo. Novo, add an X, novo. So that is rule number 3. An adjective ending in EAU in the singular form is made plural by adding an X. So rule number 3 is over. The feminine plural of adjective is formed by adding an S to the feminine singular form. That is grand. So in case if it is in feminine and we have to add an S, that means it is feminine plural. See, the portion is same. Okay. So first thing is grand, you are going to add E to make it feminine. In case if it is already feminine, just add an S, that will become feminine plural. So this we will see through an exercise. So here are the questions. So I'll just recall once. La femme est chinoise. So it's already feminine plural, so feminine singular, so we are adding an S. So this is okay. La femme est chinoise. Le garçon est beau. So we have to add an X. So la femme becomes les femmes here and le garçon becomes les garçons sont beaux. La femme est chinoise. Les femmes sont chinoises because SONT is plural, right? So when the ILS form comes, SONT should be the conjugation. So le garçon, that will become les garçons sont beaux. Il a un chapeau noir, that will become ils ont les chapeaux noirs. Il a un chapeau noir, so il a will become ils ont, Un chapeau will become des chapeaux, and noir will become noirs. J'ai un chien allemand. Nous avons des chiens allemands. That is, j'ai will become nous, because j'ai means I. The plural form is nous. L'ami d'Emmanuel est japonais. Les amis d'Emmanuel sont japonais. So l'ami d'Emmanuel will become les amis d'Emmanuel. Why? Because here it is in singular and that will become plural. D'Emmanuel sont japonais. Japonais, no change in japonais because it is already in plural form. Le frère de Catherine est grand. Les frères de Catherine sont grands. So that is le frère will become les frères de Catherine. Sont already, grand, just add an S. La table est basse. Les tables sont bassées. So la table becomes les tables. EST becomes SONT. Basse becomes basée with S. La fille italienne est mince. Les filles italiennes sont minces. So la fille becomes les filles. Italien with an S. EST will become SONT. Mince will become mince with S. L'homme japonais est jeune. Les hommes japonais sont jeunes. La petite fille est intelligente. Elle est belge. Les petites filles sont intelligentes. Elle est belge. Okay, students, now you can take down the answers. La petite fille est intelligente. Elle est belge. That will become elles sont belges. Okay, now you can pause the video and take down the answers. So this exercise number 3 and 4 is very simple when you go through the formulas, that is rules which I explained. Okay, so either today's test, online test, will be based on exercise number 3 or 4. So please revise both and get ready for the test. So with this we are completing exercise number 3 and 4 for today. That is, we saw métier au féminin and métier au pluriel for today. So thank you. Have a nice day and let's meet soon.